Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Children, it's time to practice book 1 EVS subject. So let's open page number 70 and 71 of your book 1. See children, this is page number 70 and 71. So here at the top first you will mention today's date 23/4/2021 and classwork on both the pages. Now let's see what we have to do here. Tick the sense organs only. So you can see so many pictures of body parts are given to you over here, and what you have to do, you have to tick only the sense organs. Means the sense organs through which you can feel anything. We have studied the sense organs in our live class. So let's identify the picture one by one. This is the picture of nose. What we do our nose? Yes, we smell with our nose. So is this a sense organ? Yes, it is a sense organ. So you will put a tick like this. Hands. Is this a sense organ? We have studied? No, not at all. Now come to next. This is the picture of ears. What we do with ears? We hear with our ears. So this is a sense organ. Put a tick like this. This is the picture of ankle. Is this a sense organ? No. Move to next. This is elbow. Is this a sense organ? No, not at all. Move to the next. Eyes. What we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. Yes, it is a sense organ. So put a tick like this. Now come to next. Tongue. What we do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. So this is also a sense organ. Now last but not the least, this is the picture of hand. What we are doing? We are feeling with this. This is the picture of skin. What we do with our skin? We feel with our skin. So this is also a sense organ. So basically we are having 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. So you have to put a tick like this. Now come to the next page. This is a writing for all of you. Let's read the words first. EYES eyes, NOSE nose, EARS ears, SKIN skin, TONGUE tongue. Now you will write it down in very good handwriting. See like this. You have to follow the print formation of letters. EYES eyes. Similarly you will write here EYES eyes. Now come to next. Nose. NOSE nose. You will write similarly like this. Next is nose is done. Ears. EARS ears. Speak and then write. EARS ears. EARS ears. Come down. Skin. SKIN skin. SKIN skin. SKIN skin. And the last is tongue. TONGUE tongue. TONGUE TONGUE tongue. Now move to the next page. This is page number 72. So here at the top you will mention the date and classwork. Write the words. Here you can see the words are written SEEC, SMELL smell, FEEL feel, TASTE taste, HEAR hear. So similarly you will write these words over here. So let's start. SEEC smell, SMELL smell, FEEL feel. One time I am showing you writing, the rest you will do yourself. TASTE taste, HEAR hear. We see with our eyes, we smell with our nose, we feel with our skin, we taste with our tongue, we hear with our ears. Okay, so in this way you will complete this page. So this is all about our book work. Thank you children. So just after the book work children, we are having one more work to do in our notebook. Just after the body parts, you will mention the date, today's date and classwork, and mention the heading write the sense organs. Sorry, the title will be Draw and Write the Sense Organs. So we know we are having 5 main sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. So let's draw the pictures of eyes first. In this way you will draw. Alright, so here you will mention eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. The next is, leave one line, ears. Draw like this. You will draw the picture on your own. Ears. The next one is, leave one line, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. The next one is skin. So you will draw a hand like this and put a pointer like this, S-K-I-N, skin. And the next one is tongue. So make a tongue like this, T-O-N-G-U-E. So in this way you will draw the pictures on your own and then you will write the name in front of. So this is our notebook work. Alright, this you have to do. Body parts and the sense organs. I hope I have made myself clear to everyone. Pictures you have to draw on your own, children. Alright. So this is all about our book work and the notebook work. Thank you so much. Do it very neatly.